situations, and there I think he is at his best.
It's going to have to come from somewhere.
Controlled.
One that you're thinking will break.
Sur. It does come in this time, and a goal from Yasser Ibrahim, the central defender. Argentina wounded. They knit things together. Well, the challenge coming in there, and it's a penalty. Hassan mistimed it, and Francois Letexier did not. Here in Atlanta, all eyes on Lionel Messi. Oh, saved by Xavier. Goodness gracious me! Messi denied. Argentina foiled. Space afforded Rodrigo de Paul. Tantalising one. McAllister with a header saved by Xavier. Did enough again for Egypt. A corner, Zico. Argentina can't mess around with Salah in the vicinity. Hassan, ball play. This time Zico, and surely that won't be taken away. Egypt are jumping for joy. Dishing it off. Messi was in position. Oh, free header! And that is exactly what Argentina needed. Christian Romero hauls them back into it. And until the end, guaranteed. Messi, good luck trying to stop him. And that sort of position. Oh! Lautaro Martinez and others all queuing, using Lionel Messi. Deflection there on the way through. And can they line something up here, Argentina? Oh, it's gone in! It's 2-2, and who else? Lionel Messi, the saviour for Argentina. Sending it over! Enzo Fernandez! Can you believe this?